I have far too many paintings at home. There is no cure for collecting. It's progressive.
The east was always on our radar. We were always looking for what that next project could be.
We're so lucky that we're so close to the city. It's always a great vibe. Have drinks on the deck. We face the sunset. It's a great place to be.
This site had a lot of good things going for it. Everything is so well located. The site sits on top of the eastern ridge at the gateway to the eastern suburbs. Once you get to level 7, all of a sudden the views open up spectacularly, whether it's to the west, looking towards the bridge and the Opera House, whether it's to the east, looking back towards Double Bay. The building was really designed around maximising the views for every apartment whilst making them private. You can get around to anywhere. You get all of the benefits of living in this location without any of the maintenance and with fantastic views because you're perched up between level 7 and level 17.
Everyone's invited down to the CYC, whether you're a member or a guest. About 50% of our members live within 3 kilometres of the club. It's just such a unique location because it's so close and central to the city. You've also got Edgecliff just up the road, so it's easy to get to, sitting on public transport. It's really a lifestyle choice to be located in this area. Proximity to the water really affects people's mental well-being. You can just see by the number of people in the park outside walking past. You know, minutes after clocking off work, you can be here probably in 5-10 minutes, depending on whether you're on a Lime bike or an Uber or how you get here.
Woollahra is a fabulous hub with art, fashion, lifestyle and food where everything intersects. It also manages to retain that village atmosphere with a strong community feel. It is very hard being surrounded by beautiful artworks all day and resisting the urge to take one home. Each shop has a really strong identity. It's a very interesting kind of hub of creativity. And so it makes for a very kind of compelling shopping trip up Queen Street.
It gives you that convenience, views, and luxury apartment living all in one. Everyone would want to live here. Come down and have a look at Darling Point. I'm sure you won't be disappointed.